Yes, so Oga Madam, how una day? Wetin dey happen? This na Naija economy gist where we dey try to dey shalaye wetin our government dey do with their policies. I be your guy, Dr. Toves. Hope say na you do okay today. We know say our president, Oga Jagaban, they try to do him best to make sure say Naija dey better. I know say a lot of people no agree with this. I know say people no one believe am, but I dey tell you as an economist, some of the policies wey in they try implement, some of the steps wey they try take now to better our economy in the long run. I know say T-Pain now na joke for the country because everybody they suffer. And no be to laugh at people's pain, everybody suffer dey real because Naija they suffer even before Jagaban come. And now it be like say Jagaban don't increase everything. Dollar they rise every day. Come on subsidy, petrol they high, they scarce. Dangote won't try doing refinery to reduce things, but things don't just one worker. Basically everywhere just they suffer. Prices they go up, tomatoes they go up, garri they go up, chicken don't they cost pass even goat meat and cow meat. So everybody they suffer, but it no mean say some of the plans where the government get for mind no they work or no be good plans. But make I tell you one of the plans where our government don't implement since January, and that's now to join the association known as BRICS. BRICS. I know they talk about the brick where they take build house, not be that kind of block. No. This one an economic block or economic association where the members now Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Now waiting for BRICS be that. They start BRICS around 2009. And when they start, South Africa be no day. But at 2010, South Africa applied to be member and then they agreed to form their own. And the funny thing be say even around that kind 2010, Naija be one form their own association as well with other countries called Mint. And that's now Indonesia, Nigeria, Turkey. I'm not sure the last S. I'm supposed to look at, but anyways, nobody get time for that, last. But anyway, so BRICS, what it be BRICS? Now BRICS now it just be like ECOWAS, basically. Now like ECOWAS or EU. But the only problem be say BRICS they against the West. Not like fighting the West, but they try step away from the West. They won't try step away from the dollar. Now, one of their key agenda be that. The main objective now to form economic cooperation, just like ECOWAS form economic cooperation, but they won't try come out to they use the dollar because everybody they suffer from this dollar. Not only Nigeria they suffer from the power of the dollar because everybody in the world they trade with dollar. And it they difficult to come out from dollar because if you try come out, they go sanction you. And every day dollar they appreciate. We don't float the Naira right now. And that they work well with import because Nigeria they import almost everything. And the more we import, the more we need dollar. The more we need dollar, the more dollar they appreciate. And the more dollar they appreciate, the more Nigeria people they suffer. You see how everything they take revolve around this dollar. Although Nigeria not necessarily join BRICS, it just partner with the BRICS. And why Naija no join BRICS? Now, which I be first the reason, but something can't tell me. One mind tell me say the reason why they don't want join why they don't fit join BRICS now because our Western masters, our Western ogas, no go happy if we join BRICS. They no go happy if we join BRICS because again, like I say, BRICS won't stop till they use dollars. They want they do importation and trade in each country local currency. So, for example, if you say Naija be official member now, if BRICS countries want trade with Naija, they go use Naira. And if Nigeria want trade with Russia, we go use their Russian money. If we want trade with Brazil, we go use their Brazilian money, that kind of thing. Or if we want trade with India, we go use their Indian rupees. But our Western organs no go like that thing. So, partnership, no bad. So, waiting be the benefits of joining BRICS if we no be full member but partners. Now, as a partner, we will get access to the BRICS Bank, also known as the New Development Bank, NDB. So we will get some kind finance for that so that we go take like build road, build houses, and to help the economy. I know some of you they talk say Nigeria don't they owe too much already. Why we will go borrow money again from another bank? We need them. People don't chop Nigeria money. Nigeria don't get any money right now. No money at all. Our foreign reserve is almost empty, if not empty. And me personally, I know to believe the figures when they talk, but anyways, it don't do almost empty. So we need money to run things for the country. Everybody they suffer. They even I know say you don't hear from the news say they won't try to give some people money cash. How they will get that cash if Nigeria don't get money? Not to borrow money. So partnering with BRICS Will give us the opportunity to get money apart from the World Bank and the IMF, where we don't already owe trillions and trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars. And another benefit of partnering with BRICS be say we fit get investment from those BRICS countries. We fit get investment from Brazil, we fit get investment from Russia, we fit get investment from India, we fit get investment from China. We don't already get investment already. We fit get investment of South Africa and all of the other BRICS countries as well, like Iran, Egypt, Ethiopia, UAE, Dubai. Everyone like to go Dubai, right? We fit get investment for there. You know, say when Peter Obi be the campaign that time, they try liaise with Egypt. Well, Egypt now member country of BRICS, so we fit the trade with those people. And why is trade important? You feel they ask. Well, how that one take concern or say Naija want the trade with those countries? Again, we they import everything. You want rice, we they import. And guess what? We like Indian rice, basmati rice. We like Thailand rice, Thai rice. Now, Thailand na partner for BRICS. India na partner for BRICS. So maybe if we partner with those people, we fit get our rice cheaper, and then the price of rice maybe go come down. But we don't say the price no go come down. That's another economic topic if we discuss another day. But basically, maybe the price go they stabilized because we don't partner with those people directly. We will get some kind incentive to the deal trade with them. And if we don't pay them in dollar, then maybe Naira go appreciate. It be like say, make I just explain briefly how this exchange rate they work. Just think about the dollar right now, like this pen, for example, this red pen where they hold. Everybody for the country want buy this red pen. Everybody want this red pen. It may say this red pen they valuable. And the more this red pen they valuable, the more expensive it go be. And the dollar be that. Everybody want them. Everybody they use them. The value they high compared to the local currency. So the value they increase, which means that the price they increase. And the owner of this pen, the manufacturers of the pen, fee decide, say, okay, if you don't get the money to purchase our pen, we feel loan you this pen. But as we they loan you so, remember, say you guys, they pay us X amount of money. Now, what they call interest rate be that. And currently, the United States under Trump don't increase their interest rate. Now, for us to reduce the value of this red pen, aka the dollar, it means that we guys find substitute, or we guys start to promote and buy our own pen. Let's call them this black pen. So the more we buy this black pen, the more we promote this black pen, the value of this they reduce, and then the value of this pen they increase. And now waiting them Tinubu government won't try to do with that. They won't try and negate the power of the dollar. It go they hard, like I say, our Western masters no go agree. Because even Trump don't talk, say if BRICS no use dollars, they go impose 100% sanction on top BRIC countries. Again, so those are some of the things we won't try to do. So if we invest, if we partner with them, we feel get direct relationship with those countries where they import things from. Everybody like rice for Naija, jollof rice, white rice, fried rice, party rice, basmati rice, odd rice. You know, all those kind of things go help the Naira stabilize a bit and help the price a bit. Another one be say, if we partner with BRICS, we feel get levels for the world stage. Right now, we know the G7, even for the world United Nations, people not to respect us like that. But because BRICS they small and Russia they involved, everyone like Russia, everyone like India. So if we get some kind of respect as well, and if we collaborate on some kind of specific matters. But the negative consequences of partnering with BRICS, as in some of the bad things we feel happen as a result of this partnership, be say we go feel they depend too much on BRICS. We know say Naija wants to start to borrow money. We go start to over depend on those countries. Every time they run to IMF to borrow money, every time they run to World Bank to borrow money, every time they run to the Paris Accord to borrow money. If it be say now we don't join BRICS, people go chop all the money, go start to run to them to borrow money. And the more we borrow money, the more they own our resources. We don't hear rumors. Say China, they invest in all these African countries. They go build small airport for you, but they will take your gold mine for the next 100 or 200 years. We don't want that kind of situation. So President Tinubu, Oga Jagaban, abeg, no do am. Another one be say, because of our Western ogas, no like BRICS like that. Problem fit though, gbege fit happen. But this not just January. We never know how we go take pan out. Hopefully, our ogas them and our strategists and all the people we get around them, not Festus Keyamo, no be that guy. or Wike, I would say some of the economic advisors, they sound enough to find a way to make sure say we no go suffer from our Western organs them. All right. But also another thing we say the economy of BRICS, the BRICS companies, they're not too stable like that. Russia, they fight war right now. They're not too stable. They need Africa, right? India, the economy they up and down. Brazil, the economy they up and down. Only China strong. South Africa, we no fit to trust them like that. So that fee be danger. But overall, we know say the main plan, the long-term plan, be say may Naija destabilize. Say when we dey import things because we like importation, things go dey easier for Naija people. The power of the dollar go reduce. And this now one of the things where President Jagaban don't try do. Hope say una understand what I talk. Hope say una like what I talk. Please if una do, I beg make una press like. Make una subscribe to this new YouTube channel. I beg, make the views no lost, and make una share to other people where go they interest in this kind of story as well. As I talk, I be Dr. Toves. Thank you. Una well done. Thank you for listening to Naija Economy Gist for this channel. Make una take care, and I will come back with more videos in the future where we'll talk about how our government, their economic plans, will take affect everyday Nigerian. All right, it go be people.